Hi guys and gals and kittens, and welcome to the I Need a Magic show. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can create an AI chatbot that allows you to go through the entirety of the shopping cart or e-commerce experience. So here I am in one of my test cloudlets. I'm going to go to manage, I'm going to go to plugins, and here now if I filter on shop, for instance, I can install a new plugin called shopping cart demo. So this is just an example of how you could create a shopping cart. However, we at iNeedle, we can integrate similar types of shopping carts based upon AI chatbots into Shopify or WooCommerce or whatever you really like. If you want such a thing, then you can contact us at ineedle.io. Now, if I go to create, I go to HyperID and I expand my modules, you will see I have a shopping cart demo here containing a bunch of files, Hyperlambda files, which were dynamically installed as I installed the Shopify demo. But now I want to go to machine learning here under manage, and then you will see I have a shopping cart demo here based upon GPT-4o. If I click on figure here, you will see its system message. All of these parts were automatically created as I installed the demo. And if I go to training data and I filter on shopping cart demo, you will see that it has basically 4 products. I can also go to create, I can go to SQL Studio, and I can have a look at the database for the shopping cart demo. As you can see, it's a fairly naive thing. It contains products and items. Items are basically your shopping cart items. So now if I go to machine learning, I choose embed on my shopping cart demo. I click copy HTML, I close this guy, I go to create, I go to HyperID, expand, etc., www, and I create a new file. I call it spyshop.html. And then I use OpenAI to, for instance, create default HTML page for a spy gear online shop with some kick-ass coloring and use bootstrap. See what it comes up with. So here's our HTML. Now if I got a jQuery and some CDN stuff, doesn't really matter. So now let's paste it in my embed script here, right? And I save the file. Let's open it up and see how it looks like. Welcome to our spy gear online shop. Explore our collection of top-notch spy gadgets. Okay, so let's initiate a chat here. What products do you have? It's one of the conversation starters. Let's see what it comes up with now. Okay, it's got a flying car. It's got some X-ray sunglasses that can see through clothing and fabric. It's got a personal submarine, Aquajet submarine, and it's got a quantum disruptor ray gun. Now I can add items to my cart. So I want the gun and the sunglasses. Watch carefully what happens now. You see it says waiting and success twice. It means it invoked 2 functions. It invoked basically the same function twice, which added items to my cart. If I now go back here into my database and I go to SQL Studio and I click SQL View and I choose shopping cart and I do select all from products, not products, items, I think, you will see that, wow, cool. There are actually 2 items associated with my session now, right? If I keep on adding additional items, let's try something complex. What is my total? Right. Now I want OpenAI to calculate my total amount, how much I'm supposed to pay for this in total. As you can see, $321,000 US dollars. Let's say I have $1 million in budget. I have 1 million. What items can I add without exceeding my budget? Which of course illustrates the point, right? I mean, there's absolutely no way you can do this in a traditional e-commerce setting. You can afford the XR17 flying car, but not the OP11 Aquajet submarine. Would you like to add the XR17 flying car to your cart? Yes, I want to add it. Now you see it comes back with my cart being the disruptor ray gun, sunglasses, and the flying car. And my total now is $872,000. Would you like to proceed with checkout? If so, please provide your name and email address. Okay, Thomas Hansen, thomas@gaiasol.com. It's probably kind of stupid having to provide your name and email to a spy gear shop. However, obviously this is just a demo anyways, so it doesn't really matter. Now, I need to blur my screen because I want to show you what happens now. So I'm going to be blurring my screen at this point in time and switch to my correct email address, at which point you can see the email that was being sent. Here you can see my order, right? So this email was now sent by the system. Your spy gear order is complete. Thank you for your order 00X. Below are your items and your total. Disruptor ray gun, X-ray sunglasses, flying car, total $872,000. This is, of course, just a small demonstration of how you can build an e-commerce AI chatbot. But if you're interested in a real AI chatbot similar to this one or a completely custom AI chatbot, you can reply to this message and our CEO will come back to us. And actually, it's fairly complex too. If I now go back here now and I do list my items, right, then I get no items because now my cart is empty because the order has been processed. Okay, list all products. Now let's see what products it has again. So you can see flying car, X-ray sunglasses, submarine, disruptor ray gun, the gun and the sunglasses. So now I got 2 items in my cart, right? So if I write list my items, it will show 2 items, of course. Ray gun and sunglasses. Let's say I redecide I don't want the sunglasses. Okay, remove the sunglasses. Right, at which point it's going to remove the sunglasses from my shopping cart. If I now do list my items, right, and I do checkout now, it will actually only buy the disruptor ray gun. So this is a small example of what you can do with the AI assistants API in Magic, or AI functions as we call them, based upon AI workflows again. And if you actually look through here and you go to manage and you go to machine learning and you have a look at the configuration for the model and you look at its system message, you will see code resembling this. And this is basically an instruction to OpenAI that says, hey man, if I want to add an item to my shopping cart, then, and you know the SKU for the particular item I want to add, blah, 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 then return this. This actually becomes a function invocation where the cloudlet actually invokes this particular AI workflow, which, and again, of course, associates this particular item with my shopping cart and puts it in my cart. So anyways, that was it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.